Assalamu alaikum. I'm here on stage of Ali English House Academy. I have a student with me here. We give the opportunity to our students to develop their confidence and communication by giving a speech here on stage. So let's hear a speech from this boy, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to everyone.
Walaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
My dear brothers and sisters, how are you all doing today?
I'm fine.
That's really wonderful. I would like to thank Ali English House Academy for giving me an opportunity to develop my personality. Today I am going to say 30 district names. ಬೀದರ್, ಬಿಜಾಪುರ, ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ, ಬಾಗಲಕೋಟೆ, ಯಾದಗಿರಿ, ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಧಾರವಾಡ, ಗದಗ, ಕೊಪ್ಪಳ, ರಾಯಚೂರು, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ, ಹಾವೇರಿ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ, ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ, ವಿಜಯನಗರ, ಉಡುಪಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು, ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗ, ತುಮಕೂರು, ಚಿಕ್ಕಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ, ಹಾಸನ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ರಾಣೆಬೆನ್ನೂರು, ಕೊಡಗು, ಮಂಡ್ಯ, ರಾಮನಗರ, ಮೈಸೂರು, Chamarasnagar, Kolar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day.
MashaAllah, very nice. So, can you say about yourself? What's your name?
My name is Ahmad Sabil,
Ahmad Sabil. Which class you are studying in?
2nd standard.
MashaAllah. Just being in 2nd standard, he said the names of all 30 districts in Karnataka. So let's give a big round of applause to him. Yes, with the speech of another student, we will be back. Please share and subscribe. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.